Hey guys, this is Anthony Romrell, and I'm here to get you going this week in class. So welcome to class, first of all. What we're going to be talking about in this video is your basic setup. So you should have Get Kraken set up with a repository. It could be called Scripting for Games. You should have forked a repository. And in there should be a Unity project. So if you open Unity Hub, you should have an adventure game or something with a similar name that you've named yourself, but probably this adventure game. And inside the adventure game, if you open this project, open the Unity window, what you should have is some assets. There should be a tools folder, Pixel Adventure 1, Pixel Adventure 2. So if we take a minute to jump back to GitHub, what you should have done is forked this Scripting for Games repository, which is located here. So it's github.com/Anthony Romrell Scripting for Games. And what you would have done is there's a fork button right here, and a number of people have forked it, so it looks like you have. If you haven't, you'll need to fork that, and then you'll clone it in Get Kraken. So you'll fork it here, and then you'll come in and you will hit clone, and then you'll clone from GitHub, and you're going to choose, you'll choose your repository, and it should be that Scripting for Animation and Games. It should be your repository. It should say your username on it. And then once that's cloned, it should appear right here in Get Kraken, just like this, with your Unity project. Now back to the Unity project for just a moment. You should have Pixel Adventure 1 and 2 if you forked the repository. If you didn't fork the repository and you need to get these, whether you need to get these, you need to license them. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to a browser, and you're going to go to the asset store. You're going to log in. You should have an account already, because what you've done to get Unity is created an account and grabbed a personal license. So what you're going to do is grab Pixel Adventure 1 and 2. So you're going to license. Make sure you license. I know it says they're free, but you need the rights to use them. So in order to get the rights to use them, even if you've downloaded it on the repo, you must go through the process of purchasing these for free. Okay. So once you've done all that, you should have a Unity project. We're not going to use the Pixel Adventure 1 and 2 just yet, but I wanted you to be prepared to use it. And of course, if you have any questions, you can message me or your instructor, whoever your instructor is during the class period. But inside you should have assets and like terrain, backgrounds, etc. It'll give you a bunch of little sprites. It's basically, we will be working towards a 2D game. And that should be a pretty good synopsis of how, if you follow the instructions correctly, to get to the repo, to get to this Unity project.